Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to my channel. This is my raw and natural English learning journey. So, guys, today I am practicing for day 360. 360 big, very big achievement. Alhamdulillah, I'm happy. And first of all, I want to clear I am Muslim and I respect all the people, even Hindu, Christian, whatever religion you are having. These are my these are my religion foundation, and these are teachings of Islam to respect all the people without caring the religion. So Islam give the right all the religions, and Islam teaches to respect all the religions. So today I want to share about the packages. Yes, phone call packages. I am from Pakistan. We have a different kind of naughty and nonsense time wasting phone call packages, and like WhatsApp packages, and same network packages. And uh, currently the Pakistan having four big telecom companies. The first company name is Warid, Jazz and Warid. This is the one and biggest company. Second is Telenor. The third one is Ufone, and the fourth one is Zong. So these are all companies working separately. These are offering separate their own phone call packages. And how a common people use waste their precise time. They used to call and sharing the over information, transfer the over information, a lot of meaningless talking. uh, this is most common in females. Yes, females. I This is my experience. I'm 35. I These are my observation in my country, specifically if I talk about my family. Yes, I don't want to talk outside the people. I cover my family. I know some people in my family, they used to talk phone calls, like 30 minutes, like 40 minutes, like 1 hour, more than 1 hour. And I don't know what kind of information they transfer each other, they convey each other. And sometime the phone call can break over relationships. Yes, phone call can break over relationships. So never ever waste your time for chasing the free call packages. Yeah, I know. The first and most important thing I want to share, which is I have four cell phone, because I used to work from home. And uh, and the nice thing is I have three sims, and all sims are postpaid. Yes, postpaid. This is something like I must have to pay monthly. This is not a prepaid, this is a postpaid. And the postpaid and the prepaid seems having a really big difference. I have a really nice fast internet speed, and I have a lot of minutes, free minutes. Same network and the other network, I have a lot of same network and off network free minutes. But I don't have time. I most of the time waste my 95% free minutes, because I don't used to call people. Even I don't like to call my relatives. Yes, I call them, but very rare. I most of the time waste my minutes. And I use most of the time I use internet very wisely. And my phone package and my internet package just for my work, not for time wasting, not for meaningless talking, not for meaningless status or meaningless videos. I don't this kind of person. I know the value of time. So this is my English learning journey. I'm not an expert. I'm 35, and the nice thing is you can see my confidence level. You can see my eye contact. I how I maintain my eye contact with my camera, with my Apple phone. I have a old version Apple phone. I most of the time use 8 lights for my room. This is my studio. You can see studio. This is my living room, and study room, working room, all the things I used to perform here. And also this is my studio, so I always use my room for different purposes. So I am happy. You can see my nice flow, you can see my confidence, and this is all about 360 days results. This is not overnight results. And the solid proof is my channel, my videos. Yes, that's why I just recording my journey, so no one can judge me. You just you are already having a skill. No, I spend years and years for chasing nonsense, idiot, meaningless way for learning English, but those are all time wasting, like grammar, like used to memorize grammar method. Boring, all of them boring. So the nice and only way to improve English is natural English. Speak English naturally. Always try to use to listen American peoples or native speakers. Or I used to listen my local Pakistani people. Those are really nice. I get a lot of information, not for my field but also journal life. So this is my English learning journey. So I want to share time. Yes, I continuously speaking around 6 minutes, and I can speak more. And I'm happy. Now I want to show my room. Yes, so guys, see, this is my room. I am having 8 lights in my room. So 2 lights, because of here is rainy weather. And yes, that's why I just there is electric shock problem. So that's why 2 lights, my currently 2 lights are not in working. But yes, tomorrow I have a plan to replace, or call some mechanic, electrician. And maybe lights having some problem, technically problem, and maybe I have to replace. So thank you and love you. Stay honest, work for long goals, work for real and authentic, work for long term journey. Thank you and bye, and see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Love you.